The cordless XPro framing nailer is driven by a durable, fuel-powered combustion engine. As with all combustion-powered equipment, it is vital to clean and maintain the tool to ensure high performance over time. The cordless XPro framing nailer only needs simple maintenance you can perform yourself every 6 to 12 months depending on your usage. The entire process will only take about 15 minutes and ensures that you stay productive on your framing jobs. To clean your tool, you will need Paslode tool cleaner, Paslode cordless tool lubricating oil, the 5/32 Allen wrench that comes in the carrying case, Loctite thread locker or equivalent, and a few clean shop rags. Paslode cordless tool oil is specially formulated for use in Paslode cordless tools. Use of other lubricants may cause rapid combustion residue or result in premature part failure, so always make sure you are using genuine products. Start by removing the battery, fuel, and nails from your nailer. Using the 5/32 Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws on the cap assembly and remove the cap. Disconnect the magnet connector and slide the magnet cartridge out. Then, loosen the 2 socket head cap screws in the nose of the tool. To separate the motor assembly from the handle, gently lift the base of the handle away from the motor, taking special care to avoid bending the fan blades. Next, remove the grill and filter. Clean the filter using Paslode tool cleaner. Spray liberally, wipe dry, reinstall the grill and filter, and set aside. To clean the cylinder head assembly, spray the cylinder head with Paslode tool cleaner. Allow the dirt and debris to drip off. It's important to avoid letting any cleaner run into the handle. Using a clean rag, wipe off any remaining cleaner or dirt. Check that the seal rings and spark plug are completely clean and free of any debris. Next, lubricate the seal rings with Paslode cordless lubricating oil. Make sure to evenly apply the oil around the entire seal rings. To clean the motor assembly, push the piston assembly to the down position. Next, spray a liberal amount of Paslode tool cleaner into the sleeve and combustion chamber. Invert the motor assembly and let the excess cleaner and dirt drain out. Use a clean rag to wipe off any remaining cleaner or dirt. It may be necessary to repeat this step to remove any heavy deposits or remaining residue. Make sure to also wipe the magnet plate clean at this stage. With the motor assembly tilted up, squeeze 4 to 5 drops of oil into the sleeve and lower lip of the combustion chamber. Next, apply 3 to 4 drops of lubricating tool oil around the top of the combustion chamber. Rotate the motor assembly while oiling to ensure that the oil is evenly distributed around the sleeve and lip. Manually push the driver blade up and down to evenly distribute the oil in the sleeve. Now, hold the motor assembly upright and work the tool up and down on its nose. Use the rag to wipe the face of the magnet cartridge clean. To reassemble the tool, carefully install the handle onto the motor assembly. Next, place the magnet cartridge back into the housing with the magnet facing towards the chamber. Reconnect the connector wire to the magnet cartridge. You will hear an audible click to ensure its solid connection. Position the wire like this to prevent wire damage while reinstalling the cap. Next, place the cap on top of the motor assembly and tighten all 4 cap screws. Add thread locker to the starting threads of the nose screws. Now tighten the 2 screws in the nose. Remember, only operate the tool with the cap and nose screws securely tightened. Operating the cordless tool with a loose or missing head screw can result in the escape of fuel or cause the tool to fire 2 nails at once. After the tool is completely assembled and all screws are tightened, test the tool for proper operation. During the first few shots, you might see some smoke come out of the exhaust ports. That's normal and should only last a few shots. If you experience any issues after cleaning, call Paslode Technical Support.